Welcome. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to allow your members to send photos using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing group permissions is simpler and more powerful than ever. Today, I'll walk you through each step so your group can start sharing photos in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head to web.telegram.org. Log into your Telegram account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list on the left and find the group where you're an admin. Click on that group to open the conversation. Now, at the top of the chat window, you'll see the group's name. Click on the group name to open the group info panel. In this panel, look for the edit icon, usually a small pencil or gear symbol, right next to the group's name. Click on it to access the group settings. Inside the edit menu, you'll see several options. Find and select permissions. This section controls what your group members can and can't do. Scroll down until you see the Send Media option. Click on it to expand the available media permissions. Here, you'll find the option labeled Send Photos. If it's currently disabled, simply toggle it on to allow group members to send photos. Once you've enabled Send Photos, don't forget to click Save at the bottom or top of the menu. This will apply your new settings instantly. That's it. You've now successfully enabled photo sharing in your Telegram web group. Your members can start sending their favorite pictures, making your group more interactive and engaging. If you ever want to adjust permissions again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with other group admins. Stay connected and enjoy your enhanced Telegram group experience.